Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel today. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about the struggles of postpartum. First of all, this. Yeah, you start to lose your hair goes all crazy. You have to reheat your coffee like 600 times and then you still forget it in the microwave. There's just so many things that you don't have control over in postpartum and it's so frustrating. Although this is starting to sound like an ad, it's not. I want to give you my honest review on Lil Helper's reusable breast pads. One of the most frustrating things about postpartum is you hear a baby cry 3 kilometers away and your boobs just start to leak for no reason at all. You imagine your baby crying, you're leaking, it's annoying. With our first child, I used those disposable breast pads. So annoying. They have like, the peel off thing and then you're supposed to stick them and they're supposed to stick to your bra, but they don't. Those little plastic pieces are everywhere. You find them like years later. In our household, we've started to find ways that we can reduce our carbon footprint. And so using these breast pads is definitely a way to reduce our trash. So this is going to be my honest review on Lil Helper's reusable breast pads. Let's get into it. So these are the breast pads. So they're quite thin, which is something that I really like about them. I know you're maybe looking at that like I was. I saw people talking about these breast pads before and I was like, you guys sure? But I'm so glad I just tried them out and I just ordered them with the intention of reselling if I didn't like them. But anyway, they're so thin you can't see that I'm wearing them, and that's awesome. They have 3 layers. So this blue layer is wicking, which means it will take away moisture so you won't feel wet. In the middle there is an absorbent bamboo layer, which is the one that takes up all the milk. And then this back part is like a waterproof layer, and so when you wear it, you'll wear it like that and nothing will get through. Do they absorb? They really do. I have tried a couple that I ordered on Amazon and I would say like the quality is amazing compared to the other ones that I've tried. And these are for daytime, so these have lasted me between feeds and they're quite good. I've been able to, if I was out and about and forgot to pack more breast pads, I was able to go between 2 feeds, but then they were quite full. I don't know if you could use these for a whole day or overnight, especially in those first couple weeks when your milk comes in. I will use these overnight if my overnights aren't clean, and they work fine now that my baby is 3 months. So, short and sweet. Would I recommend these? 100% yes. So much so that I have bought the deal that they have on their website. I think it's a pack of 8. I have bought them for 2 different expecting friends because these are a life changer. They're so much better than the disposables and than any other reusable ones that I've tried. Good luck, Mama.